Cindy with Body Fit Physical Therapy, and just wanted to go over some things that I discuss with my patients who come in who have issues with headaches. The first thing that I always look at is how they're sitting, if they're desk workers, how they're sitting and whether they're sitting in a proper position, kind of 90-90 at all your angles here, elbows, knees, and ankles, and making sure their monitor is right in front of them so that they're looking at the top third of the monitor. So any deviations there we like to address right away, making sure your back is supported as well so that your shoulders are back and head is back. If that's all pretty stable, then we also talk about whether they have vision issues, if there's something going on where they tend to lean forward, then maybe they need to take a look at whether there's something going on with their eyeglasses, or they need to change the way the glasses are working for them. You might want to look into that. The other thing we talk about is TMJ, if there's any TMJ dysfunction or anything that's causing them pain, maybe they're grinding, that's causing headaches too, or it just could be stress. So it could be stress of just positional stress or just mental stress, and we're trying to take a look at that, whether there's something we can do to relieve that themselves. A lot of times I'll have people go through some range of motion exercises with their shoulders just periodically through the day to relieve that tissue tension from sitting, maybe doing some neck range of motion exercises, nice and easy to each side. Again, shoulder circles, looking up, these are simple things that you can do. The other things I like to do is an ear pull, pulling the ears out, can relieve some tension around the head, gently pulling out and back, holding that for maybe 30 seconds and closing the eyes and breathing that out to relax. The other thing I like to do is use this little setup here, the peanut ball, lying on that with that resting just below the base of the skull and lying on the floor with that so that you can get some release of the muscles as they come into the back of the head. And that's a nice one to help relieve pressure there. You just fold it and then rest on the balls as they go into just a soft spot below the base of the head. And these are some simple things to do to see if you can relieve headaches.